Varying different models of them. One we've been outright a couple of times.
We did turn one right, 150. Turn one right, 150.
One of Japan's finest, the mighty Subaru.
Left, over brow 7 left middle, over brow 7 left middle, 9 right.
We started Mount Roland and we got around probably 4 or 5 corners and the car just cut out. So we sort of pulled over, turned the car off, turned it back on, it started again. I took off and I was making up time, but yeah, just cooked it into a 6 and it's pretty open.
6 right over crest becomes 6 right over crest becomes...
Awesome team last night, and we were up till midnight fixing it. Parts came up from Hobart as well as around Launceston, and amazing result to get us back in today. And the spirit of Targa lives on. Everyone's welcomed us back in the event and looking forward to tomorrow.
Two left long.
Push to pass.
2 left long, 6 right that opens, 6 right that opens, with an 8 left here, 40, 6 right late here, 6 right late. Into a 7 left here.
Stopped again. Bastard.
6 left hug, 40.
Turned off.
3 right. Left 250.
Turned off again.
100. 10 left long, 50. 6 left.
Turned off.
Yep. 6. With an 8 left.
Turned off. How many times did it turn off?
Good job, mate. Good job.
Bastard car.
Care 7 right becomes 4 on bridge, becomes 4 on this bridge. With 50, caution 3 right, 50, caution 3 right here. Here's a fast left 50, fast left 50, 10 right, 10 right.
Well, these guys have had a tough week, car number 1.
156. You can't see it from that side, but this side's definitely not factory anymore. It's yeah, it's got a little couple of marks on it there. Big week for the boys, but they've made it to the finish. Well done.